Yo, for you, that must say, yeah, to us, so Eddie, a free her, na ya koye him live, GH Live Studio, so and die friend say, if he had na Santi Kotoko, no, but to training, or ma, every kama, or ben route to Atuasa copy, or be a friend say, some Guan and Samurai boy, and Potamono, but final training session. Abawie akwantu a ɛda wɔn anim no nso wɔn de ba abɛtoa so akɔ nti quick one yɛn sɛ brɛ yɛkɔ na yɛn nsɛntwerɛni Manuel Menya na naba Kwame Gracious na ɔwɔ hɔnom a fɛ training a ɛtɔ dwa no wɔtumi di mu nkyerɛmu ɛma nti nanaba yɛn sɛ brɛ yɛnwura mu na yɛntie deɛ siiɛ anɔpa yi ɛwɔ training grounds.
Chairman, BBI boko adako judge me no ka say Kotoko team no aba be your final training and so we are mo akwaku grem and so ewo Clubhouse and the training on be you know me can say a special training different and then Kotoko team no a trainee ewo a specific me can say position be and I say oba on the field of player, your defense, your midfield, and a sense of attack, and a goalkeeping, and a Kotoko, baby me you pay juma, baby me you pay, I don't be a word you to pay, and so I say, and to Obesha, and your players in United every gram, and so I say. Now, young starting to say, and a team will be gram with our Taco Jachi, exactly 7:32 a.m. 7:32 a.m. Our Ghana time. And a team no every room and while Jaco Jachi has say omo air battle omo ede omo team bass old one and I buy because omo game boy against young apostles na youth bass no de buy but then over training grounds some the old bass and a big room and has say and a coach and the coach Karim Zito Hamza Obi and a prince also mumi and say to me a buy ebe share send your name and she bet me Ediamakrobia Kumasia Santi Kotoko. And the train on me, person or buff for a specific purpose in Intino. A man starting Rikatu, a man communicate biasa. It wasn't a Bikabia could be a big culture park and wish you have a bear 10-20 minutes be tabby. Or buy them call home bear 3 pet and then no better not see Dim Como. Now the target I don't when you a Juma or more air quack and Samana Bueno. And come on, and a coach Abdul Karim Zito, and a Rantiero, and so a dear, and almost starting a draws, no more bia, and so call common, away and no be shooting kakra, be possessing ball kakra, young remove because and a born on bay a train on bay, something different, but sa you make kind of bit me shooting kakra, possessing ball kakra, away, a cuttings. No be shooting from the back because Juma or more team anymore as also reflected or match days until a idea you wouldn't bit asem and so I will say now and Ura Kotoko goalkeeping department na 4 goalkeepers and a big room I will adapt judge 2 senior goalkeepers and it me a buy now surprisingly Abrantia edit Mohammed Kamara Uba Sheshe. We are back to the squad. Mohammed Kamara Abba back from the national team. Guinea Abba be rem ewa Adako Jartinti ene Mohammed Kamara ebe ye training with Club Yakumasia Sante Kodoko. Goalkeeper Nedin edit Aziz Dari Haruna and so ebai. It's ene Benjamin Tum and to me appear ewo Adako Jati where to me amahasi. We don't know the reason there, but Benjamin Tumahaba and who Oyibo no a youth goalkeeper and the other goalkeeper back also account or also a buy a trainer with Club Yakumasia Santi Kodokonti 2 youth goalkeepers a buy and 2 senior goalkeepers also a buy a trainer with Club Yakumasia Santi Kotoko. Now, boss, and a sample with the Lama training. Samba Gilbani in Dongani O'Neill, our captain at the Emma Krobia Kumasia Sante Kotoko. wama me wura mu ewo Adako Judge Joseph Ablorh defense no once common amini wudi no Joseph Ablorh ama training Henry Kwame Ansu entumi ama training yere ho common de bema na Patrick Asie Dubai Lord Amuabai Zakaria Fuseni by enti na wo hwe Kotoko center back players are omotimi be wura mu ewo ha se ya eye only one player adding Edi Zakaria Fuseni onunko a ana etumi be wura mu ewo Adako Judge any team no eye training it is Zakaria Fuseni nko a ana by Lord Amuabai Patrick Asie Dubai Francis Akwa ebai Sanso ena abrantia the di Eddie Joseph Amua enso ebai ebe training with Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko yanko mfimfi hon ena mfimfi hon me hu Samuel Kennedy se oye training ewo ha sei na mame fa nko back kakra ewo defense no Emmanuel Korte enso bai Emmanuel Korte oye injured player or recover from injury but also babe training with Kotoko. See, we don't also come back to the midfield, you know. Samuel Tene Dubai, Baba Yaya Ebai, Abrantian Eddie Lord Henry Listowell, also Ebai, and then you want Abrantian Eddie Lawson T. Out of free youth team anymore. So also joining Ali. I also a youth team player. As well joining your defense one. Hubert Chew Ebai training with Kotoko. Samson Johnson upon Wusu about training. Now, the number share set Koju was, but the money for man who said Koju has it. But the money for man who Emmanuel Enchi, Ewaha. Rachel said Emmanuel Enchi and recover from injury. Rachel also just said set Koju and get it back to the squad. It is set Koju Amba, what lead name of saying is Wamba. It's an midfield, you know. Near who game and Kotoko any drunk apostles a boy, you know. Omwa ani who omo enso e ha say. Ye who Inusa Adams. Philip Amo ye who no ha say Philip Amo e out. And then nim ho ne who mo so Donzo. Ani who Kwame Poku. So two players we and almost ever represent nim ho. Edima Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. E wo last training session na. Omo eye. Yahoo Jordan Emisa. Sorry, Jordan Emisa. I want a youth player. I am promoting to the senior team. No, yeah, we don't have say. But they can't get to a Shafonia team for him say, I could damage a grown injury. It will also to me a part of and the training session. A course no. Now, most players are Shafonia team for 10 years. When we have a team from 2 when we say, and then 2 media for the Kobeya, you know, a more of attack. The midfielders make criteria. And I will provide the assist, you know, at the mass strikers near what you were waiting for them. And then the only thing Yanka said, another more boost at the Macrobia Kumasia Santico to team Nina. A goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara, what get back to the squad. And then with team team, you know, and so a training. Now, Usha Senior, now coach Abdul Karim Zito, a general fin. Now all my directives I will game anymore. A trust Kotoko Elpa Kobo Samatex no a gamer coach Abdul Karim Zito the Niabidi pa. And then sometimes super training grounds I will say have directives more now. I don't want to duck out. Not what the Mahams and coach Prince who know the my players no. But and then I'm on original field and also and then my directive actually the players and ahead of game or more air because Omu 2 games no more kwakobo and san no get it back to Kumasi. Omba kobo Samatex so muwe na no mo kwa enzema akwakobo Baseke Holy Stars and san no aba bebo Mediama Sporting Club and so much and young point my Sunday by the week or more a barber bono. Now, and I did see what training grounds are. You guys said that answer, Kakra. Did you understand? Now, Coach Zito, ever said what the directives be my morphine Donzo. Those are one thing, you know. Coach Zito is also French, no, the more. Those also the bro for no, and yes, sir. It's never said Coach Zito, a poor be or English and the Achero. Now, what translated the French, the ama morphine Donzo. It's the Yajawan, you was that, and was a coach friend Mohammed Kamara. Then you come from Fudi people, boom, no, Omar Mohammed Kamara, translated to French. And the Emma, Abranta, the and so at the morphine Donzo, the Kamara, coach catch Kamara, na Kamara, so but Kamara now, so on your brothel, one to brothel, giddy, sir. Suppose I would tell, that's all the more, now, all the most with those who take us an omba. No, make it winter. Now, idea, a 3 part, and which I said, oh, sure, and you want morphine Donzo back to continue, a back communication about a problem, Cassia. At the ama Abranta, the morphine Donzo, was training the Abana way a 2 hours training. And a crop your Kumasi Santi Kotoko, a play a bien or you're injured or recover back to the team. But Mohammed Kamara or training Kenya national team, and I'm getting back to the team or mobile training. Now, my main fun too, when him say, me can't say, Answama Ablorh Amba, and Samba O'Neal Amba. You really a busamuno, and you're some weapon, a plebeian honor. Ansu na ho dodo ne kakra ansu anya fit do ansu ho dodo no na ansu de no what pains on the nine mu tempe focus so mo ehwe say Henry Kwame ansu be recover because after a game when to me am young apostles now on come match day squad no ho and tempe fo so mo hwe say obetumi recover no metumi de na ko na so am Samatex crampo a obetumi boost defense no aka ho enso na mo de na ko basike Holy Stars game a omo eboy Joseph Ablorh ne Samba O'Neal de no eyem payfo and I say no edi kwan so mo ba any training no because any training ba be na more of attack and omo hwe kwan be fa so a obetumi create more wanti midfielders ne buy and a strikers no enso ba be adwuma kama at the Emma Crop Yakumasi Asante Kotoko. But me nkomodie mu no man fan to when him say Saka Dauda any Peter Amidu akwan so join team no. Boss player the woman say Peter Amidu akwa. And a Saka Dauda and almost one ma. Saka Dauda injured. On recover. But paying focus for money no the medical team the air so also bet you recover. No I join the team no to samana boy no one did not call but second biana or mugusu more air. Peter Midu aqua a black a crown home. And our black pair near coach Abdul Zito near deal won't come up. And what Deco judge after some yomo final training. Peter Midu aqua. What better a better one alpha. And the any train of where any class of resting more. I was more resting. Now say Obenya some minute in Kotoko team ahead of Samatex game or more aircraft cobona. A beboye pa. It's the end of Peter Miduakwa. And so I'm a big her. Lord Hilaria Double aircraft the former team Samatex 1996. And then by every training come at the Probia Kumase Asante Kotoko. Now, everyone be due and come be my assignment to be semi bar. Remember, here's how you made them farmer. Now, after say, Kwame Poku say chances be now, Kotoko supporters a bully, na acquire SMP and will match him because he was a career for saying, or born the first match. Eddie Amakotoko, Francis Aquabemu, yet be a new performance won't come up, but the near won't come up. And Kwame Poku said 2 chances. Now, and I didn't see what Dakujachi. Now, you see, Dakujachi Hannah said, and a cancer, Kwame Poku, and be against young apostle, I want to be answered. and when you money the same chance, you know, Coach Abdul Karim Zito shared. I said, I want creating the same chance as Asuma Kwame Poku. Now one can't send big or one channel. It will 2 parts in the Kwame Poku all running for the ball. Oh, yeah, be when him hold on. I bought a shade. Now when a coach Karim Zito catch your Kwame. Sanka we yes we I was younger post to game him ka supporters in your sir. Te dumre bia I am here who said ye be gina position your home. Na chances be ebiba you bet me utilize it. Now ohwe how na Kwame Poku movement that here any day I will atako judge na very good after you see ye game omo any younger post to boy ya supporters no e bully no ni ade ni nyina no and what ye den and so you training na yenka say the fitness no and so ebe ni mu ye wa atako judge nyina no abrante ne din e de Kwame Poku and so to me eye bia na eye kama pa and so e wa haseti both player ne so ma me se me mra me ye ne day no say and then my equoye a wadako judge a 2 hours training. Referee Kwese yero na about 9:32 a.m. a wadako judge into 7:32 to 9:32 minutes ni bia metoso seconds a metoso and a coach and the prince also a Kwese ye so mu close training for the day entiene send your call ye a wadako judge ya players no e de ekwako rem e wa sanke gua na yankopon ya ma Sunday omawura ma samana boy na omoye adwuma ne kama e de amakrobia kuma ase asante Kotoko
adwuma pada ase nana about Kwame gracious me sure say time omokoye training anytime crowd dey report ya my tutu sa no pay there achitafo anche da am biem
dabi na ye bedu hala supporters omo ha say no omo menka so me supporters omo be hwe game na simpa trepe ana na e wa ha say no me trepe ana e wa ha omo maka no ye omo a omo e guide madako jachi ase no security for no mo ha say no so ni ba tu na omo so e ka ho e wa ha say nti supporters a ma me hwe training no e wa ha say kra ma me hwe omo wie ya de de obi ade na ni kire ba bia ono so e konti bibia de dem
nice job you better say na yemfa win peace way minim say Samatex nso ye omo ho adwuma na your next episode Samatex what the omo dey ba ne ade so ye dey no atudwa but ansa na abeko no said the enra ye ka ye e we transfer story mu say Peter Amidu akwa ene Mohammed Kamara ena Samba nom ene ade say renewal no said the nim say na very low so mbe renew no January Kotoko ebe sell wo with a suitable offer no ayantie kakra yen saka e omu a ye de ma inatiefo e om somewhat to do ni ma no entry so ye say omo afa kwan bi so say emi say omu enya ombeka so ombe free team nim eno ye de ho more details e bebre inatiefo a eno ye ho komo a yedi kakra na ano ada but yi si so na me say the training ho sensem e be no ye de ma inatiefo e be di atwi na de be free ma ba bia no yere ama etiefo mgiri sa Samurai boy team no Samatex so wonya omo bibi kakra na my just na ye ba ne abetwa so e de omo ho ankasa ho nsem aba
yeah ye din komo and so I was Samurai boy and we share send ye etie na team no omo e very young pa na omo de ne din pa one thing about Samatex is say omo share first go and very difficult say ubetimi atesa aka no ohwe obu game omo de mediama eboye ewo TNA Sports Stadium a omo di kan share mediama last minute kra ana mediama de ania den a enso bete ka no ewo honom na ohwe Samatex team ni mu a yedi nkoma adwam na me no ka say e prebie ni ho aseti in ewo Samatex team ni mu enra nkoma me ne omo PR Ablorh no market chi mensa etiye na migusa ne say boss e prebi e wo team ni mu a obeti am me mensa aka but Ablorh no mama yeti asese team ni so omo no start prepare from man game Sunday no omo prepare from Monday na abadu enra me ne omo edim komo and the cramp no be omo last training session e wo honom na bibia so atumi aye command team no de Samatex team no e prebi anim e wo aboy ti Kotoko e kwakwo hye omo a ipra asset in or Kotoko Bobo Kudim, Samatex team, no, a prebia, and so and set in or Holland. You could do also swap. Near Koso, a boy, Kotoko supporters are, or more air train team, no, and one St. Gregua, Eddie Room or Samana Bueno. You won't update now at the amount. So, wouldn't that you really free her now? Your cock of Froca, near Cock train, nominate Hamzy didn't come was me decant as some catcher who no see how see me do my channel. Almost what between so on tea. You be not the ever cost was a sound horse, the one supporters, no, a train team because who could drew a men few west to honor as St. Keguana year or more capital into a honor in the predominant and so ever. Na nkurase na wo samana bonche mumuni todom pine wasa dum kwawo o se ne was ma sha se bobodi no e be bobodi ni mo kronkro ni mo wasa dum kwawo ne your friend say wasa coupon ho no wura manso amemfi eba boode aha ba bia abrante ne din e de family free no bago go side ho na omu nyina enso etwen se krobia kumase asante kodoko team no ebeba na nke ma omu ene Samatex boy. Who say what be for Pristia? What be for Pristia from money? No dream or Samana went to free Pristia back game in Nano. Or more amfa as in Kugakra. Or more bogo some but we never for Pristia. No more dream of money. No more see Samana boy. Then one almost about a shake game in the you can't never see what could be an. You know supporters in Sweden come now welcome and come first on Mister for the team. Maybe Marco share or more. Edo my baby room. Oh, hotel. You can't just a hotel and but hotel store as in Kugano. You too. I can see 2 9 on tab down. Or in our account to be in baby or more corner, or the idea of how to kind of so daddy. But in paying for share, say they you might be Makuyi and so on. The boss. Some are testimony here, a plebeian must see I mean, or I can say. Now, air or more approach her on the baby and as you could dream about today, analyze it, almost style of play and everything. Now, the amount and so I has in tea. Kotoko team na young finance training and some artists baby on the and every ewo samana aboy
ya bera se nanaba ntiko so ai na eka boom na bibia isi anitwe. Thank you so much for your time. I'm say we dia okwe no I say yem kan kire tifo say amfa video bia nto so ama wo mo because and I'm say final training
sure
and I am
yes and not crown mama djuma ba ku bi o uma djuma ba ku bi say na awuche ho te say awuche uzam say awuche ho te say awuche ho nyesa on recover koma me ba be di no awuche ho recover ti still awuche plan one ho I'm paying for air transfer or be recover from the injury no awuche recover that is information that the busa and sakan say awuche on recover from the injury sanity
Emmanuel entry armor training on also recover right
yes entry armor set quick
Tine do the all buy
Tine Dubai training
okay yo and our goalkeepers so Mohammed Kamara are returning
sure
Samurai boy team no so omo ebeye omo final training and area and answer you bien prayer
Debbie
na bebeda se na nyamidi adoma jaka chen ke kan boom na onam road no so nyina no na ye di nkomo ko na ye update me tifo
Mate boss player
all right